Good morning, folks. Welcome back to RevMatch 1970. I've just been mucking around with microphones in helmets and everything, and I tell you, it's just been an absolute friggin' nightmare. So I've got this set up. It's just a cheap microphone from eBay, and I did a quick test run on the quad around the paddock and it seemed to work alright. So I thought, what a gorgeous day today. Absolutely incredible day. See how this one works out. I thought I'd go for a bit of a ride up the mountains, and nothing flash or anything, just going for a cruise and have a bit of fun. Haven't been out on a bike for a while, so I thought what a perfect day to go for a ride. Absolutely gorgeous. Have a bit of fun. Get the old Katana out, well, the old ones, 2019, so it's not that old, but you know what I mean. Have a bit of fun on it. Yeah, so welcome back to the channel. I haven't posted a video for a while, so I thought, no, I better get back into this and have a bit of fun. Hopefully this microphone works out. Hopefully. Love these corners. Just sweeping gas out. So much fun. Haven't ridden this road too much. Done a couple of runs up here, but still learning the road. So I'll go and have a little bit of fun. Hope you guys enjoy the video too, while I chinwag and cruise around these corners. A bit of temperature in these tyres. Had a little bit of rain in the last few weeks, so road narrows here a bit, gets a little bumpy. What a gorgeous day. Just up on top of the mountain here. Absolutely stunning. Apparently there might be a couple of unfriendlies up over the hill here, so just getting over the other side of the mountain. That's alright. Just out for a cruisy ride anyways. Hello cyclists. Morning. A lot easier on a motorbike. A lot more fun. I can say that because as a kid I used to do road race cycling. It's a lot of fun actually. Yeah, it's good. But anyways. So yeah, I'm on my 2019 Suzuki GSX-S 1000S Katana. I've got it in the old 1983 blue and silver livery. It was Auto Obsessed Wraps that did the wrap for me. Awesome job. and I absolutely love it. If you want to see more pictures of this thing, there'll be plenty on YouTube anyway coming up. And but check me out at RevMatch1970 on Instagram. Lots of pics on there as well. Haven't been out for a while. Been about 4 weeks since I went for my last ride, and that was a fun ride too. But man, I was having some trouble with this. Oh, this microphone. I've got some real choice words for it, but I'll probably get red flagged for it. So I bought it, like I said, I bought a cheap one from good old eBay, and I did a little test on the quad, riding around the paddock on a little 80cc quad with my $450 Sumo helmet on. It's a bit of a sight, that's for sure. But the sound, it seemed like that it was cutting out the wind noise and all that sort of stuff, so hopefully that's the case and that you guys can actually hear me okay, and hopefully you guys enjoy the videos. So I'm no road racer, come canyon carver or anything like that. I just like getting out and having a ride on my motorbike and having a bit of fun, meeting a few people while I'm out, and I stop for a ciggy break, and yeah, and just out to enjoy my bike, have a heap of fun with it. And yeah, got a couple of signs now that there's some might be some police around. Oi, oh, someone's had a bit of trouble here by the looks of it. Yeah, towies are here. Yeah, bit of fun going on. Might be a stolen car or something. Get towed away. Never know. Alright, I'm going to go back up the mountain. See if we can have a bit of fun. Oh, got a cramp. Oh, got a cramp in my hip. Knew that was going to happen. Ah, straighten it out. Let's see if we can have a bit of fun up here, eh? Yeah, got a bit of temperature in the tyres. Just learning this road more. The more I ride it, the more fun I have. Doesn't matter if there's traffic, just ride and have fun. Nice little sweeper. just picking up the beautiful note this thing's singing. Like a bullet, that one. Tightens up on itself. A little softer on the throttle, Max, a little softer on the throttle, smoother. Through the turns. Some tightens up on itself. Yep. That was a fun ride up over the mountain, that's for sure. Had a ball. Absolute ball. Love that road. Good fun. Tana works so well on those sort of roads. Just a heap of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a good old thumbs up for me, that'd be much appreciated, and consider subscribing to the channel. Got plenty more content to come up on Red Match 1970. You guys have a fantastic day, enjoy yourselves, be safe, and we'll see you on the next video. Good on you. See ya.